Like that.
Because the fishy got cooked.
Fishy won't melt.
No, fishy won't melt, but he'd get cooked and then he'd get eaten. Baby ate him like a man.
Baby didn't like a man.
Fishy in the brook. Daddy caught him with a hook. Mommy cooked him in a pan, and Baby ate him like a man.
Which baby? Which baby?
Baby ate the fish.
Baby ate the mommy?
No, Baby ate the fish.
Or baby ate the fish?
Because he was hungry.
Baby was hungry?
Yep.
Why?
Because it was dinner time.
And what was his name?
I don't know what the baby's name was.
Nemo?
The baby's name was Nemo?
Yeah.